Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajesh Menon. I am actually representing the company called Iram Scientific Solutions. Actually, Iram Scientific Solution is a social enterprise venture of a Iram Group. And the Iram Group is actually a Saudi-based company, and it's a ISO 9001 2008 certified, and we are actually operating primarily in water and sanitation sector. The main patent pending product which we are having is the e-toilets. Now, e-toilets, it incorporates full cycle approach in sustainable sanitation by integrating technology, integrating convergence of technologies, thereby automating entry, cleaning with remote monitoring capabilities, and multiple revenue options. Now, e-toilet is basically a prefabricated public toilet made of steel and is integrated with user-friendly electronic interfaces to ensure cleanliness and hygiene in every user. This is a small comparison between a normal public toilet and e-toilet. Normally, if you have seen a lot of public toilets, the cleanliness is low and it's a manned operations, but e-toilet is totally an unmanned operation system. It has normal toilets, we have when you make a flush or anything, normally 15 to 20 liters of water goes off, but this is also we have made in such a way that the water consumption is low and the electricity consumption is also low. Actually, it's very easy to install. It has a coin vending machine, which and it has auto flushing and floor flushing auto, and it's there's no regular manual cleaning and maintenance required, and then as you see product functionalities, pre-flush, auto flush, platform cleanings. It's actually everything is automatic. When you put a coin and automatically the door opens. When you go inside, the pre-flush automatically does it. Then once you finish with your thing, then it automatically it has post flushing. This is actually we have done in such a way that once you enter inside the toilet, the machine senses you, and through that all this works through the sensor. And we have also done in such a way that every 5 uses there is a auto floor flushing, but sometimes during rainy season when it gets more dirty, there's one more button where a person can operate and the floor flushing will start off. Now we have 2 types of income generation. One is through the coins and one is through the advertisement panels in e-toilet. Now, maintenance report required. Actually, e-toilets is 6 months warranty maintenance, so free, and then after that we have a AMC contract, which normally we have our service engineers all over India, where they operate, where they go every. Now we are actually Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation funded, and there are 3 types of toilets, which is stainless steel, mild steel, and school toilets. Now we have also into sewage treatment plant, and now we have installed almost 500 e-toilets over 10 states in the country, and we have almost like more than 1,000 orders pending with us all over India. So this is the international collaboration which we have, like Duke University and all this University of South Florida and everything. We are also coming up a new e-toilet, but totally into like a new type of e-toilet, totally air conditioned. And now this, the best thing is that is all the e-toilets are web accessed. Now sitting here, I can access how many people used the toilet, how many people use the toilet else anywhere in the state, and how many coins was generated and everything. So yeah, this is, and we have already won 30 plus awards, and almost we have 500 plus e-toilets and 200 plus STPs. Thank you.
Any quick question for clarification or additional information? Question for clarification or additional information on the presentation?
What is the cost of, sir, I'm Jaiprakash. What is the cost of this toilet?
Actually, we are actually operating only on government sectors, and the cost of stainless steel comes to around 5.5 lakhs.
One unit
One unit is 5.5 lakhs, stainless steel.